Hello, and welcome back to my podcast 10 Questions with Muhammad. I order from ChatGPT to generate for me 10 questions about the Arabic language. I will answer these questions. The first question is: how many dialects of Arabic exist and what are the main differences between them? Okay, to understand things, we have 22 countries. They have official language as Arabic. Officially, language is Arabic. Okay, so I will give you example about the main differences between the Arabic language about one word. It's a simple example to understand the dialects. What does mean in the Arabic? Here in Palestine, we have more than 30 dialects. It's in use. We use it. We use it. Okay, daily. It's that dialects depending on the area and families and so many another reason, but we will talk about the main reason. It's area and family. Okay, I will give you one example about one word right now in English. I will translate it to Palestinian dialects right now or now. How many way we have to say it? Okay, and that's dialects. That's a dialect. We can say هسه هلأ إسا هالآتي هالوقت هالحين هالآتي. All of these, it's same meaning. It has same meaning. What that's meaning? Right now or now. So that's what does mean dialects in Arabic. Okay, that we are still in the Palestine. So Palestine, it's Palestine, it's part of the Levantine origin, okay? Levantine Arabic, it consists Palestinian, Syrian, and Lebanese, and Jordanian. And we can understand each other smoothly without any problem, okay? Yes, with the second question. What is the origin of the Arabic alphabet and how has it evolved over time? Alphabet, historically, we know it came from the South Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Okay, and there are old Arabic, and after that, as we know it today, it's the modern Arabic. So the remarkable reason to evolve Arabic, it's the Quran Kareem and the Islam, that it was the remarkable reason to evolve it and evolve it every time. Okay. Third question. How does Arabic grammar differ from English grammar in terms of sentences structure? Okay, I will give you one example about the present continuous in the English, and after that I will explain for you in the Palestinian dialect what it's different. Okay, and in the modern Arabic it's also different from the Palestinian dialect. For example, if we said in the Arabic, in the English, I'm drinking water. I am drinking water. I will say in the Arabic, أنا بشرب مي. أنا بشرب مي in Palestinian dialect, right? أنا, I am, okay. I بشرب that's it's the present continuous tense. بشرب. ing, it's okay. If we said she drinking water, ing and drinking in the Arabic, هي بتشرب مي. بت that's it's a present continuous in Arabic. So you can imagine about that what it's different between the structure of the sentences in the Arabic and English, and about the grammar. Also, the Arabic it's written from the right and left, English from left and right. Okay, so it's different. For the question, what are the most common challenges non-native speakers face when learning Arabic? When they try to translate Arabic about their culture, how they are thinking, if the learner he doesn't understand the culture of Arab, he will he will face so many challenges, and he has to understand, or she has to understand, not just the culture and the structure of the sentences and how they are thinking about so many things. Okay. And the system writing, it's very hard. It's not that very hard, but you have to practice a lot about. Yeah. But and female and male. In the Arabic, we have male and female. Okay, we have male and female for things. We have male and female for people. We have female and male for so many another thing. Everything in Arabic we can make it female and male. Okay, so that's I think it's also a problem for non-native speakers of Arabic, or if they don't have a female and male in their language like English, they don't have that. Okay. Fifth question: how does Arabic influence other languages, and what are some loan words from Arabic found in English? I think sugar, سكر in Arabic, kahwi, coffee, kahwi, coffee. And there are so many words I can't remember right now, but I remember al-muhadda in Spanish, not just in English. Al-muhadda. I know so many words in Persian. Also, it's influenced by Arabic, Turkish. Also, there are so many words. It's came from Arabic, because Arabic it's influenced in Turkish and English and so many another languages. Okay, yeah. Sixth question: what is the significance of root words in Arabic, and how do they help in understanding vocabulary? That's very, very good questions. In Arabic, we have that system. It's a root. It's called root. Al-Jadr or al-Judur. That root, it's came every word in Arabic. It's came from three letters. That's it. Three letters. It's made one word. That's one word. It's like, I will give you example. Like katab. We as a root, we can talk from this maktab, desk, maktabi, library, kitab, book, kutub, books, maktub, envelope. Okay, so all of that, it's came from the word or root katab. So you can imagine, if you understand the roots, how it will be more easier for you to understand Arabic and learn Arabic. Yeah. Okay. Seventh question: why does Arabic writing not include short vowels in everyday text, and how do native speakers read without them? Because we understand the context of the sentences. So when there are someone write to me something, I can understand what he want or intended meaning about these sentences. So I don't have to use that vowel or that letter with نقطة, حركات, something like this. I don't have to use it. So because I can understand, I have knowledge about the context of this speech or sentences. That's the reason. Yeah. Eighth question: what are some unique features of Arabic poetry and literature compared to other languages? As we know, Arabic, it has 12 million of items, different items. I will give you example about one word, how many intended meaning or beyond meaning it has. Okay? For example, inshallah. Inshallah, what does it mean? If Allah allow me to do, or if Allah wish to happen. Okay, that's exactly what does mean. So we said inshallah with tune does mean I agree, I disagree, I don't like, I hope so. But it's depending on tune. It's same item. Same item. So for example, someone say to me something I agree and I wish it to happen from Allah. Okay ماشي إن شاء الله خلص ولا يهمك إن شاء الله, like this. Okay, so I disagree. إيه إن شاء الله بصير خير, like this. It's same. And something I don't like. وإن شاء الله كيف بده يصير هذا الشيء. So I say إن شاء الله how it's that will happen. Okay, it has the same. So it's depending on the tone and the context. The context in Arabic, it's very important. Okay, so for that you have to understand the culture of Arab people. Yeah. Ninth question: how does modern standard Arabic differ from classical Arabic and the spoken dialect? I think we said that before, but without. I will give you example about the North Africa and Palestinian dialect, Algeria and Moroccan and Tunisia and Libya. Okay, if we meet and they are talking with me in their local dialects, I can't understand. Okay, so we have to be in the middle between each other to understand. So we use white dialect or classical Arabic. It's mixing between modern Arabic and dialects and colloquial. So for that we can understand each other. So here the modern standard Arabic also it used in the media, formal media, not social media. For example, Jaziri, that's a newspaper, something like this. It's formal, okay? Something official. Yeah. Classical Arabic, it's used for people who it's targeting people. Their okay, classical Arabic, what time it's used? For example, if you have so many audience and they are came from so many Arab countries, another Arab countries, so you have to use classical Arabic to they understand your language. So you have to be in the middle of so many dialects, okay? And it's actually it's happen automatically. For example, if when I start to talk with someone, uh, he is or she is from Morocco, I have to automatically use it like this classical Arabic. I try to explain, and she tried to explain, and or he tried to explain. So that's I hope you understand me. Yeah. 10th question: what are some Arabic expression or idioms that are difficult to translate into English? There are so many idioms, especially cultural idioms. It can't translate because you don't have the same culture about these items. Um, Maybe we will make one video about that. Okay. I will not answer this question. I have one answer for you as audience. Okay. As a learner, what is the most difficult Arabic word you have encountered while learning and why? If you aren't learner for Arabic, what is the hardest word you have heard, okay, in all your life? So that is the last of my podcast today and see you. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.